Fix in 5. Let's decode P0469. EVAP Purge Flow Sensor Circuit Intermittent Signal or OP. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, MAL, illuminated, intermittent EVAP system warning, no noticeable drivability symptoms in most cases, possible fuel smell under hood, if severe circuit failure, system may default to limp mode reducing purge flow. Now the most likely causes. Intermittent or loose electrical connection at purge flow sensor. Corroded or damaged connector pins. Purge flow sensor circuit open or short to ground. Faulty purge flow sensor, internal failure. Wiring harness damage between sensor and ECM. Here's how a pro pins it down. Repairing or replacing damaged wiring or connectors at the. Replacing a failed or weak EVAP purge flow sensor. Fixing or replacing leaking, brittle, or disconnected vacuum. Replacing the EVAP purge solenoid/valve if stuck or malfun. If absolutely necessary, repairing or reprogramming the EC. What does it cost? Roughly 45 to 120 euros doing it yourself, or 85 to 160 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Inspect and clean purge flow sensor connector. Reseat connection firmly. Replace corroded or damaged connector pins and repair wiring as needed. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness sections between sensor and ECM. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, will P0469 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0469 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0469. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.